Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chippin, and you don't know what time it is. Yes, today is a different setup. I'm not in the kitchen. Most of the time on my channel, I'm always cooking, alright? As you know, there's a food channel. Today's video is basically going to be about what I eat when I travel, alright, on the road. That is not in my comfort zone, where I cannot go to my kitchen and cook whatever I want. You know, sometimes you just want some snacks, foods that I eat that keeps me happy and keeps me going. And today I'm here to share it with you. You know what time it is? It's about to go down. So it's basically going to be simple, right? Y'all know I love meat. Most of my food has a lot of meat, all right? And I love Chinese too. If you didn't know that, yes, I do love Chinese food. And there's this Chinese restaurant that wherever I go, I try to order from them, and their foods are basically good, right? And most of the time what I order is beef fried rice, all right? Beef fried. But today, I did not order from the app. I went straight to the restaurant, all right? And I saw on your menu something that I have not had before. So I did order the beef fried rice and also the surprise that I have for y'all. Let's eat. So this restaurant here is called Hong Kong, right? Hong Kong. And as you can tell, they got a variety of food, a host of foods. Like, yo, there's a lot to choose from, all right? There's a lot of it, as you can see. All that. They have the special health menu, the side orders, the beef, the chicken, the seafood, the roast pork. Y'all know what time it is. These people got you whatever that you need. And that is not even the end of it. When you flip it, there is a lot more, like a ton more. Just look at that. They got appetizers, they got dumplings, they got soup. Yo, just name it. Just name it. You can only eat what your stomach allows you to. So normally I will get just the fried rice with beef, all right? But today I saw something else, and that is their seafood delight. Comes with jumbo shrimp, lobster, jumbo scallop, crab meat, mixed vegetables in white sauce, okay? And then I saw this seafood basil. That also comes with jumbo shrimp, scallop, lobster, meat sauteed with bell pepper, scallion and onion and spicy Thai basil sauce. Okay, so I was torn between the two of them. So I asked the restaurant woman, and then she said to choose this, to go for this. So I chose the spicy one, and you know what time it is. I'm bringing this to you guys. So when you order the food, it comes like this. So I ordered for large. They have medium, small, and large. So they gave me this is the beef fried rice, and I think this is just plain rice. And this here is the main reason for this video. You'll see that, you'll know what time it is. Yeah, so I got this paper plate from the hotel, and this is what we're gonna eat with. So here we go. Oh, I'm loving it already. You can see it? Yeah, I know y'all see it. A lot of beef, and I love beef. Yeah. Trying to not make a mess. All right. Yeah, this is it right here. So this is my fried rice and beef, and I'm gonna add in the seafood. What I love about this is they give you a lot of beef. All right, and I love beef, as I mentioned earlier. So yeah. Now We're gonna, okay, I don't think I need the paper plate for my seafood. Oh my God. Hold on. I want to get everything. Haha. You should see this. Just look at that. You see that? Yeah, so I see some shrimp. This is scallop. This is lobster. Oh, I dropped it, but there was a lot more. There's another lobster right here. Little lobster right here. With lots of vegetables. I see the bell peppers. I see onions. There are other vegetables in here that I don't know what they are. I think this is green beans. If you know what this is, just let me know in the comment section. But what I think it is green beans or green peas, whatever you choose to call it. Okay, so now let's go. Don't know what time it is. So this here is the shrimp. Foodgasm. So it's not chewy. It's soft, quite juicy, and the sauce around it is like a little sweet. Actually, like that's the only problem that I have with it, because I wanted it a little more spicy. So it's not spicy at all. It's sweet and savory. All right, it's actually good. I mean, it's actually good. It's good. Yeah. Try some of the bell peppers. The sauce is sweet. I'm not sure what this sauce is made of, but it says it's Thai sauce, and I'm not sure, but it's really good. Let's try some of the shrimp. Just look at, the lobster. Look at that. That is a lobster dripping with the sauce. You don't know what time it is. So just like the shrimp, the lobster is sweet too. Yeah, it is sweet. I mean, for somebody like me that likes spicy food, and you know I do, this is just too sweet for me. All right, but it is good. You will love it. If I'm enjoying it, trust me, you will love it. All right, let's go ahead with the fried rice. So Chinese fried rice is actually very different from what we know. You see with the Africans fried rice, you see a lot of the vegetables and all that. Their concentration is not on the vegetables and all that. All right, so you do see some vegetables in it, but it's not as obvious as you will find in most fried rice. But they got a lot of beef patty in it. I mean, not patty, beef in it, and I love beef, as you can see. So what I'm gonna do is just try this beef first. Looks delicious. Just look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Here we go. It is soft, not chewy, and not salty. All right. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try the rice. I ordered for spicy, but most of the time it's not as spicy as I want it to be. Yep. I'm not even getting a kick. But it is delicious. Super delicious. I'm not gonna lie. Look at that. Making a mess as usual. So normally they have a lot of sauce to go with it, and you have to choose the sauce that you want yourself. This is the duck sauce. Duck, as in duck, D-U-C-K, duck sauce. All right, and this is the soy sauce. Okay, and they have hot sauce, which I'm gonna try. Right, so let's go ahead with the soy sauce first. Everybody knows that I love me some soy sauce. Mix it up just to moisturize up a little bit. And toss on top of it some beef. You can never go wrong with this joint, right? That's what I'm talking about. This is a real deal. Now, I don't want to upset my stomach. I'm not saying it's gonna be bad, but this is just me and how I want it. All right, I'm not gonna mix these sauces, but I'm just gonna try the hot sauce real quick. Okay, just a little bit. Let's see. Okay, so this is spicy. All right. It is, I mean, it's not like as spicy as I want it to be, but this is spicy. The hot sauce is spicy. I mean, it gives you some kick that, you know, yeah, you will love it. I love it already. So I added in the hot sauce, and it's giving me the kick that I wanted, you know. All right. Let's go for, you know what time it is? So what I'm gonna do now is just mix it up. Let's see how it goes. Just a little bit. Okay. So, warning. All right, warning. The hot sauce does kick in after a while. After it goes down, you feel it on your tongue and around your lips. Yeah, you feel it. So yeah, it does actually give you a kick. I mean, as much as you would want. Right. Okay, so now this is the shrimp fried rice. I mean the beef fried rice with scallop. All right. So the sweetness of the seafood, right, neutralizes the hotness or the spiciness of the hot sauce and the beef fried rice. So I would suggest that if you still want it spicy, just don't mix it with the seafood yet. All right. but it tastes good. Once you mix it up, it still tastes good. Whether spicy or not, I'm loving it. So, ladies and gentlemen, I travel a lot because of work and other stuff, all right? So I don't always have the, the luxury of my own kitchen or what I want to eat. Because I love to cook, and this is a cooking channel. Like, basically, I do tours and all that, but this is basically 95% cooking channel, all right? Yes. So when I don't have the comfort of my kitchen, this is basically one of the things I like to order, or I like to go get at the restaurant. And you can never go wrong with this. All right. Just wanted to share this with you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Share. Give me a comment or a suggestion. Help me grow my channel. We out. So this is the receipt right here. You see that beef fried rice? That is $10.75. And the seafood basil, that is $20.95. So it ended up being $33.95 plus tip. I paid $43.95. So it's not bad at all.